Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I make baby and toddler food. So in this video, I decided that I wanted to make my kids some homemade, I'm going to use that word loosely, yogurt. So I have here about a half a cup of the Chobani Greek whole milk plain yogurt, that's a mouthful, and a peach. Look at the size of this peach, y'all. Look at this. I had to bring up my scale because I saw it in the store. It was one of those things that make you take a second look, and I've never seen a peach so big. So this is about 460 grams. Let me see what it was out to. So about a pound even. Oh my goodness. Look at this peach. So yeah, my husband and I just got a little tired of buying baby yogurt. As you can see, it's expensive, not to mention it has a lot of additional ingredients. A lot of them are claiming to be natural, but really it becomes a little too crazy for us. So I thought about this idea to just go ahead and get some plain yogurt, mix it in with some fruit. I may add a half a banana for just a little sweetener. But I'm going to steam this, blend it, and then add it to the yogurt. And hopefully they like it. And hopefully I like it. So stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so peaches are one of the fruits that are not always sweet. So hence why I gotta just add a little banana to it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this ginormous sized peach. I'm just avoiding the pit here, so I'm just cutting all around it. Oh, okay, perfect. Now I don't think I need all this peach. I mean, goodness gracious, but I think I'm going to start off with just half. I'm going to quarter it, or rather slice it, and I'm going to keep the skin on. I like to keep the skin on because I realize that a lot of the additional nutrients in the fruits are found on the fruits itself. So what I do is I just make sure that I wash it so carefully. Whoops. Okay. So I think, you know what? Let's just make it nice and even. So I think I'm going to use just about this much, which roughly is about a half a peach, a half a giant sized peach, I should say. And I'm going to go ahead and steam it. Beautiful. And yeah, we're going to get it ready for the yogurt. All right. Be right back. All right, y'all, so we are back. I have my water steaming here. I've lined the pot with a steamer in it. I think I have about a cup or a cup and a half of fresh water. I'm gonna go ahead and dump our enormous size peach. I think it comes out to about roughly 2 cups or so. All right, so in it, along with the skin, we are gonna steam this for maybe about, I want to say 10 to 12 minutes. I'm always going to keep my eye on it. Once it's done, we're going to strain it, pull the liquid out, pull the fruits out, get ready to blend. All right, y'all. So I had the peaches steaming for about 12 minutes and it's nice and perfect. See, whenever the knife can go in here with no resistance, you know that that's the consistency you're looking for. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the peaches out, pour some of the water in my cup, and let's get ready to blend. All right, y'all, so we're back. I separated the steamed peaches with the liquid, got my yogurt, and a half of banana that I found in our fridge. It's super ripe, yes, but at least it's sweet, so whatever the peach can't produce in terms of sweetness, the banana will, which is great. I also have just about a 1/8 teaspoon of just salt. Salt just brings out the flavor. We are not making anything salty here. We're just bringing out the flavor. So I'm using my Vitamix 750 series in the 48-ounce wet container. And yeah, so I went ahead and refrigerated the liquid and the peaches just to kind of get it up to room temperature. So I'm just going to start here by adding just some liquid. We don't need a lot because it's a yogurt dish, so just any little bit And of course, the peaches produce its own liquid. So we're going to go ahead and get this out and dump this right in. Perfect. Smells so good. We got our oatmeal. I'll dump that down. Sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. But we have our yogurt. I did an oatmeal video a couple days ago, so my bad. Here we go. Got some whole milk Chobani plain yogurt. I'm gonna stop saying oatmeal, yogurt. I'm gonna go ahead and dump our super ripe banana. Okay, great. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and dump the salt. Okay. All right, so we are going to blend. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, I have any more liquidy than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the container that the yogurt was in. This way it can firm up once I refrigerate it, so it looks like this. Sorry y'all, that's the kids in the background. Can't escape them. All right, great. And I also have this dishwasher safe, freezer safe, weesprout reusable pouch that I've been using, and I've really been enjoying it. For the kids, it opens in the bottom, which is great. This is their 7-ounce pouch. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of the liquid in here. Not too much because it can overflow. All right, so once you fill it in, maybe a fourth way in, I'm trying to get it to focus perfect, and then you just seal it tight. I did it again, y'all. Pour too much. I'll get it sooner or later. So, yep, perfect. Seal it. Just make sure it's sealed perfect. I'm just gonna clean this up. Awesome. So, there you have it. This is the peach and banana yogurt. It's a great alternative for instead of buying the store brand baby yogurts that are full of sugar. This is a really cool and easy way to just make your own homemade, loosely speaking, yogurt. Kids will love it. It's nice and sweet. You can freeze it. I'm going to freeze it. I'm going to put this in the second pouch. I have it here somewhere. And I'm going to refrigerate this, let this just stiffen up a little bit, and have the kids enjoy it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe for more videos. Your support means the world. Thanks again for watching. Have a great one. See ya. Bye.